In an era when kings ruled with absolute power and religious tensions divided nations, one man dared to ask, what gives a ruler the right to govern? That man was John Locke. Born in 1632, Locke lived through the English Civil War and the rise and fall of kings. At first, like many of his time, he believed in strong, centralized rule. But as he observed England's political struggles, especially under King Charles II and James II, he began to question everything. Locke's close association with Lord Shaftesbury, a key opponent of royal absolutism, deeply influenced him. He realized that power should not come from divine right, but from the consent of the governed. His most groundbreaking work, Two Treatises of Government, argued that people are born with natural rights, life, liberty, and property, and that governments exist only to protect these rights. If a ruler fails in this duty, the people have the right to replace them. Locke's ideas shaped the modern concept of democracy, influencing the American and French revolutions. His belief in religious tolerance and individual freedoms laid the foundation for modern liberal thought. Today, whether in constitutions or human rights laws, Locke's principles remain at the heart of modern governance. He proved that true power lies not with kings, but with the people. In our next video, we discuss the idea of social contract by the Father of Liberalism, John Locke.